may know me, Martin. I'm Rory Radding. I'm with Maschoff Brennan. Had a long life in IP, about 50 years, and been through big law, big cases, big matters, and little matters, little law, and little companies. So, with that, that's who I am in 25 words or less. So what I was saying before is we're going to have what's called the practical and philosophical aspects of patenting AI, blockchain, and innovations in a changing global perspective, including procurement, exploitation, and enforcement. And we're going to do this, it's a global introduction because we're going to have regional views, different kinds of views of what's going on with AI and blockchain in the world. I'm not going to belabor who everyone is because I'm going to let them introduce themselves in a brief manner. But we're going to start off. Now we're going to go to the world. We talked about the different countries, the U.S., Europe, even the UAE, and then we talked a little bit about whether there's need for new laws, old laws, changing what should be technical, what shouldn't be technical. So now we're going to go to Taiwan, but not really to Taiwan per se. We're going to go into a different world of using AI. And we're going to have Mei Hsin tell us a little bit about the work that she's done and who she is. She's a professor, and I think that you'll find this extremely interesting. Yeah.
Thank you, Chairman, and thank you, my fellow speakers. I'm a professor teaching AI, big data analysis, and legal practice. I teach in Taiwan, China, and also in India as well. And I wrote 2 books about law, policy, about international IP, published by Maschoff function. And currently, the AI PPI from about Standing Committee, and also there is LES, the Korea International Advisor. I'm the founder for China Biotech Technical Application Association. So we also provide the intensive patent analysis consultancy to industry. So today I would like to quickly show you 3 models we use for based on AI and blockchains. So as you can see, this on the left hand side is the ITV platform. It's AI and blockchain embedded platform. So they use IBM Hyperledger. So they have the blockchain and also smart contract. So whoever interested in AI or working with the AI in this same blockchain network, we can direct have this communication or business processing administration work on the network. At the same time, this system they also embed an AI analytic tool called Juice Analytics. This AI system uses the 3D stream systems. So I introduced this system to China, Taiwan, Korea, Japan, and Singapore head office because we're hoping people look at AI, people interested in AI understand blockchain. So the blockchain can deliver the transparency for patent status, patent ownership, and patent probabilities. So that will be very convenient and reduce the cost and time, and also convenient for the monetization of patents. So this is a system we use a lot. The second system I use is Patent Pro, and it's developed by Taiwanese. The founder is the former Foxconn General Counsel, though it passed away during the COVID. But this system is very convenient because it's the invention, analyze the claim construction, compare with prior art. So before they also have these indicators for patent indefensible patent value and patent qualities. Of course, there are many other tools in Europe and in the US. You can always choose different systems to evaluate your IP. But however, this is very convenient because it has a lot of very user-friendly interface and advanced patent search system. So if you can look at that, you can have the pictures It's a mother company. It's in UAE here. Used to be the number 2 chip manufacturer, now number 5. So how they could quickly identify their defendant, they use this IP or use this Conclave to quickly search all the global patents, find the similar art, so you can easily find a potential infringer or your future supplier or your interesting cooperating partner in future. And also these two systems, they compare with the pattern indicators such as your outline, your claim structure, and your international classification, and your pattern family, and they give the grading. So for IPV, the do's and don'ts, as you can see from this one. You see? But anyway, so they can quickly give you the most similar prior art in the world, and they have a comparison for the text. So it quickly lets you can finish your preparation, how you can sue in a particular defendant and compare with a particular patents. And they can even provide a claim chart, and they can give you the innovation score for the whole patents, specific claims, or even claim elements. So quickly, TSMC is in Taiwan, so we have them quickly identify similar arts and cover school in Singapore, Germany, and also in US. Of course, in Germany, the law firm is okay, so this is all as they call it. So quickly, this case is settled in 3 months. If without AI, this work cannot be accomplished in such a short period of time. The third system I would like to present is my research published last year. Apart from the merger acquisition, monetization, or these litigations, I think the patent maintenance is also a huge burden for each corporate. In particular, for the past 20, 30 years, no matter you like China or not, all the leading companies, they file each leading company, they file thousands of China patents. So we are aware the maintenance fee is getting higher and higher for the later period of the patent life cycle. So I choose the machine learning is part of it is kind of advanced AI. We use the machine learning, which is the SPM model. You can always choose different model. If you choose the model, it's like you choose a different suit. You have your gala suit for 2 parties. You have your swimming suit for swimming, or you have your ski suit for ski. So you choose any models, you train the model, and you test the model. If that fits your needs, then it will be a good model. If not, choose another model. This one is particularly, I think the accuracy is very high because we cropping the past China data from 2020, from 2000 to 2020. And those patents have been filed in validation examination. It's just like the AIA in the US. So for those patents, those are over 8,000 patents, they already have the existing decisions from the government whether they survive the challenge or they fail. So we have an accuracy comparison, and then we run through these machine learning models to train them and to perform the prediction. The overall accuracy training and prediction is around 70% accuracy. we recommend the company to keep the A class and B class for their own. For C class, B class, we will recommend them put it on IPV system for monetization because the pattern you don't want other people, other companies they think they are the treasure. So you can try to get a return on investment. And for the precious pattern, A class and B class, we further fund to the machine learning to test the vulnerability of the pattern sensitivity. If it's high, it's a good pattern. If it's a pattern sensitivity is good, we will suggest the company to keep it. And if it's a vulnerable one, company can have their own decision. They would like to abandon them, or they would like to make a pattern, or they would like to sell it to someone else. So this is how we use the machine learning in 3 different models.
Very interesting. So you've been able to use you've been able to predict patentability as a result. Is that what you're saying? And you say the accuracy is very high. Have any of these patents, have anyone challenged these patents or done anything with these patents? Has anyone challenged the patents? Have anyone used them or licensed them or anything?
What we have done now is we use the old